Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Iqra with Iqra, first segment. Alhamdulillah. And we will be looking into our normal recitation today. Quran, Qaida, share us the lesson number, the page number. Next week, however, it's going to be different. And this week, we will be exercising what we want to do next week. Just like the way we have been exercising the last couple of months, last year, we have to say last year, now 2019, went by so fast in 2020, and it's already the 6th of Jan. Look how fast these days and nights are going by. So fast. So, next Monday, inshallah, you will see different subjects and topics, things will be taught, inshallah, and things will be great, and you will hopefully enjoy the show so much and learn so much. The aim here is always to learn. How much can you learn? What can you learn? How can you benefit when it comes to learning, etc. So these are kind of this is how we will progress. So do remember, on Mondays, as I have mentioned to you already, we will be focusing on the collective qaida. So we will all be in the same sabak, reading the same sabak from the very beginning, alif ba ta tha, from asma al huruf. The same sabak will be read by each and every one of us, and that's Monday. So starting of the week, Monday, that's what we are doing. And the last day, Friday, will be Khatm al-Quran. If you remember, I'm sure you do, last 10 years, Khatm al-Quran was always on a Thursday. Now this year, 2020, what I have done, and I've changed Khatm al-Quran, moved the day from Thursday to Friday. So beginning of the week, it will be Qaida. So Qaida is the first book that we study in order to be able to read Khatm al-Quran, or to be able to read Quran. So Friday I have kept Khatm al-Quran. So beginning of the week, Qaida, and last day of the week days, it will be Quran, inshallah. So that's where we start, this is where we end. And in between, Tuesdays, Wednesdays and Thursdays, we will concentrate on Qaida memorization Quran. QMQ Qaida memorization Quran will be Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and those will be your personalized sabak. So you will call in as you do, say page number 28 and lesson number, let's just say page 28, it's lesson number 11. That's Qaida. Quran, your own khatam. One is the collective khatam, Khatm al-Quran, that we will be doing on Friday, but Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, you read your own Quran, any sabak you want. Start from Surah Baqarah, and let's see how far you go into. And also memorization, any surah from anywhere in the Quran at your ease, memorization, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays. Now these will only be the first two segments. Remembering, Iqra with Iqra, it's a Quran show, Tajweed show, Islamic study show. So Tajweed will be running throughout all 5 days, Monday till Friday, first two segments, Quran, Tajweed will go. As you read, I will be explaining rules of Tajweed. So that's a subject will continue running throughout the 5 days, because it has to, there's no getting away from the rules of Tajweed. When it's Qaida, you need Tajweed. When you're reading Quran, you need Tajweed. And when you memorize Quran, you need Tajweed. So that'll run throughout the 5 days in the first two segments. Now the last segment of each day will be different, all 5 days. And that you will find out, and I am so excited about that, inshallah, because it will be great. It will be really, really good, inshallah. Really, really good. Indeed. So it's going to be fun, and it's going to be really, inshallah, a good learning year for all of us. So tell your friends, family, as many people as you can. I want you to tell everyone and anyone, people that are not in a position, people that cannot read the Quran, this will be, make this year their year for learning Quran, for memorization, for being able to read surahs and tasbihat and dua and ad'iyah in salah without making any mistakes. So when you go to ruku, you know it's Subhana Rabbiyal Azim. When you go to sujud, you know it's Subhana Rabbiyal A'la. When you're reading tashahud, you know it's At-Tahiyyat Lillahi was Salawat wat Tayyibat. Do you see? So until the end of every dua, tasbih, there you are pronouncing those huruf and harakat and alfaz properly without making any mistakes whatsoever. So I wish and I want you to continue, inshallah, and get and reach out to your friends and family. That's the idea. Reach out to your friends, and also you can start emailing me Iqra with Iqra at iqra.tv. As soon as I get the email, anything to do, any questions that you may have, please do email us, and I will get the email right here in front of me, and we can read out those emails. I can read out those emails and tell you what you need to do. TK, so I really want people to call in, use the number on the screen, and not only use the number on the screen, but what you do is give the numbers to others, people that do not know about it. So Iqra with Iqra at iqra.tv is the email that you can start using once again. Let's go to a caller. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.
Who's calling?
Maisha.
How are you doing, Maisha?
Alhamdulillah, how are you?
I'm very well. Where are you going to be reading from?
I'm going to read Qaida and Du'as and Surahs.
Okay, Qaida from where?
Page 27.
Page?
27.
Okay.
10.
Okay.
And my sister's going to read.
What's page 27? Page 27, lesson 10. What's it about?
Ikhfa.
Okay, explain it.
If after Noon, Sakin or Tanween, any of the 15 letters of Ikhfa appears, then the sound of Noon, Sakin or Tanween will be hidden in your nose. When we...
And that's how you make the light nasal. I mean, that's the light nasal sound. When you hide, you only can hide the Noon, Sakin or Tanween by making a light nasal sound. Am I right?
Yeah.
Absolutely. Okay, cool. So let's hear your reading.
I'm on the second line.
You're on the second line, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, let's have the second line.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Kuntu turaban.
Okay, so in that kuntu turaban, can you tell me where the ikhfa is?
Yeah. After Noon Sakin, letter Sakin, it is a ikhfa letter.
Okay, after Noon Sakin, Ta is an ikhfa letter, yeah?
Yeah.
So that's where you're hiding the sound of Noon Sakin.
Yeah.
Okay. Kuntu, isn't it?
Yeah.
Any other rule?
Yeah. Surah.
Any other rule in Turaban?
Surah is a full mafeta.
Because it has a fatana?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Listen, what we're going to do, Maisha, we're going to go for a break. After that, stay on the line. Do not go anywhere. We will continue, okay?
Okay.
Lovely, jobless. Assalamu alaikum, everyone.
Wa alaikum assalam.